In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the full folder location of emails in Outlook. If you've ever looked at an email in Outlook and wanted to know exactly which folder it belongs to, this is a quick and useful feature to know. It can help when you're organizing your inbox, checking where a message was moved, or simply trying to understand how your mail is structured across folders. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along inside Outlook. To begin, open Outlook and make sure the Mail section is active. This is important because the steps we're using apply to your email view, where your messages are listed. Once Outlook is open, click on Mail so you're working in the correct area. Next, go to the View tab at the top of the Outlook window. The View tab controls how your emails are displayed, including what information appears as columns in your message list. This is where you can customize what details Outlook shows for each email. From there, click Add Columns. This option allows you to include extra fields in your current view, which is exactly what we need for this task. When the Add Columns window opens, you'll see a list of available columns that can be added to your message list. Now look for the drop-down menu labeled Available Columns From. Click the arrow pointing down on that menu to open the list of categories. From the options shown, select All Mail fields. This expands the available choices and gives you access to additional email-related properties that are not always visible by default. After selecting All Mail fields, find the field called In Folder. This is the key column you need because it shows the full folder location for each email in your list. Click on In Folder to highlight it. Once that's done, click Add. This moves the In Folder field into the list of columns that will be displayed in your Outlook view. Then, click OK to confirm your changes and close the window. Back in your email list, Outlook will now show the In Folder column, allowing you to see the folder location of each message directly in the view. If needed, you can widen the column so the folder path is easier to read. This can be especially helpful if you work with multiple folders or manage large volumes of email. That's all it takes to find the full folder location of emails in Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.